Hi, engineering aspirants. So now in this video, we will be talking more of future trends. Now you may ask, why should I know about the future before I select any seat, right? So because when you select a seat and you complete your course, you'll take at least a few years, like 4 years, okay? So once you complete your course, you need to find a job. So what if it is irrelevant at that point of time? So you need to know about future trends, and once you select the job, you should be in that job for next 5 to 10 years, right? So you need to know whether the particular path is going to work for that long. So now I'm going to give you some knowledge base on these aspects, right? So now when I'm talking about adding knowledge base on this aspect, so I'll be discussing about what you have been doing. Now if you look at lately, then you have been all been wearing watches, which is digital watch, right? So these are all called electronic variables, right? So all these electronic variables are going to today being connected to the internet, including your mobiles, right? So all these are going to be connected to the internet, and then these internets are going to have a lot of massive data, right? Once the data is available, so you need to manage that data, right? So this is one of the problems. So engineers need to solve it. So you may have some engineering domain which may have to deal with this huge data, and another engineering domain which needs to talk of how do I connect these two data, because you need to you may have to come up with different types of gadgets connected. It may be inside your body as well. We don't know in the future. It's not just on it, right? Already Elon Musk is on it, right? So now once we have all the devices connected to the internet, and then once we talk of such devices being creating a lot of data, so you need to manage the data. The data itself has no value, right? So next generation of engineering, one of the key resource is data. Even Chinese government recently made the changes in their rules that data is also one of the key resource, right? So data is in India currently it's not so respected, but data is very important and resourceful information which is required, can be harvested, okay? As you saw in the last year, like there was a issue with Facebook sharing its data for political gains in India. So these are some of the stories that you should be looking for. So data is going to be a next big thing after the fossil fuels, okay? So hence, so a lot of people fight for data. So they give free internet to collect a lot of data. You can see, okay, in days to come, this is going to be the future. Why they need data? Because they can give customized ads. How can give customized ads? By running some algorithms. So intelligence, so by building intelligence. So that's a new trend. That's having intelligence out of the data, making some information out of the data. That's what AI ML does. So artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms do. So you are going to have a new domain of AI and ML, which is going to be playing key roles in next many years, right? So AI and ML is going to be one of the area to be looked at. And once you connect all this data and connect it, and so security becomes very critical for most of us. So cyber security is also going to be very important subject for all of us to look at it. And then you can see a lot of transformation in service industry going ahead. Like if you want to skill anybody, you want to teach him how to repair a fridge, but it may take some time for him to understand or repair a bike or so on. But you will not have so much of time, because today's technology are changing so fast. So if the same person has to change or adapt to the new models, it will be too difficult, right? So what future can be like, you program some knowledge base in the form of videos and show him by putting the glass in the eye at one side, and in other side he looks at those and try to fix those things by looking at the video, and in real time he will be fixing how it should be and how it is, right? So he'll figure out what needs to be done, right? This is AR, VR. So that's basically augmented reality, virtual reality. All these are, you can Google out what these are, right? So this is going to be an interesting domain that people are working on. So this is going to be very important, going to play a very important role. You can see Reliance has planning to come up with low cost glasses, okay, for this purpose. So you should be very much eager, like what it is going to be all about, right? And then Another important aspect is, after talking a lot of things about data management, data security, IoT, 5G, wearable devices, I think we also talked about intelligence by AI, ML. Then there is concept of sustainability, which many world leaders are today talking about for overcoming the climate change. So sustainability concepts is one of the connected thing is about climate change. So you may see a lot of work happening on electric vehicles, which is now booming. So you'll have a lot of placements in this year and few more years. But this is not the one area. So the main area could be alternative energies. So one source of energy is electric energy. There are other alternative source of energy, like from fuel cell, from hydrogen cells, and so on. So you will see a lot of changes in the mobility sector in particular. So mobility as such is going to be a big engineering domain, which is going to see a lot of changes in coming years. So you'll see, you need to be very watchful if you are selecting automobile engineering in current domain. So you should be very watchful, because the automobile domain as such, okay, which is also catering to small and medium IC engines, I think that will be replaced by other forms of energies. So, but heavy engines are going to be there till it finds an alternative energies. But right now, I think we'll see in all the cities, two-wheelers and three-wheelers are going to be replaced mostly by electric vehicles, or even I see four-wheelers are already being utilized mostly by CNGs, and even in some cases, if things works out with the current R&D that's going on, you can see some fuel cells and hydrogen fuel-based engines also coming into play. So all these things are going to change drastically our mobility sector. So all these are going to have a lot of impact on engineering domain. So I think with these future changes that are possible, there is something called Industry 4.0, which you should be very much keen to know what it is. So Industry 4.0 is actually one that is started by world leaders in engineering, that is Germany. So because they saw a new opportunity, a lot of variety of new segments that are coming into play. All these segments put together, it will have a combining and beautiful integration possibilities, and hence they call that as Industry 4.0. That's a new era that they think then we are going to lead into, and we see a lot of these variety of domains that are possible with this Industry 4.0, right? So I think with this information, with all this integration that we are talking, and we are trying to see what is the future. If you look at Indian perspective, so India has been lagging in technology for years and decades and decades. If you look at electronics engineering, yes, it was very good in design. Computer science, yes, it checks all marks. But what about electronics manufacturing? It's going to boom now in next 5 to 10 years. And then mobility sector, yes, India is going to play a critical role in mobility sector in coming days. And another very important sector that you should be worried, you should be concentrating in Indian aspects is defense. So when I say defense, a lot of players are already keen on doing defense-based projects. So one of the other beneficial aspects of defense, one of the vertical that you can see is drone industries, which is basically again it can have an independent sector or even aerospace sector connected to that. I think all these are going to be looked from Indian scenario. I think with this, you should be in a position to select the best choice for your future. Hope you select the best one for your future. Thank you very much. If you like this video, kindly click the like button below. Subscribe to this channel for updates on this and similar topic, and share the video with your family and friends. Kindly suggest the topic of your interest to be covered in the next videos, and also your point of view about this video in the comment section below.